The Empty Tower. 3 minds, 6 hands, and a whole lot of dirt. We are combining the veteran experience with rookie chaos to launch the inaugural 2026 GreenStalk campaign. Tonight, we aren't just planting seeds, we're building a battle plan. So grab your favorite beverage and step into the war room. We're revealing the charts, we're making the picks, and at the end, we're going to be brutally honest about who drafted a winner and who drafted a bust. Let's get started. So the strategy here is to make a salad/snack bar right outside our back door. We have 7 tiers, 6 pockets in each tier, and we're going to go through and tell you exactly what we're going to put in each one of these. The tier number 1, that's going to be the top. So we're going to try to get things that love the sun, things that like to sprawl out up there. We're also going to be at eye level with that top tier. So we want to make sure that this thing is aesthetically pleasing to the eye, I guess.
For you, I guess?
For me, well, it's eye level for me.
And, well, I could still reach up there.
Yeah, but you guys can still reach up there. So the first thing we're going to plant up there is going to be some sugar snap peas.
Of course.
Of course. We love going outside. We love snacking on sugar snack peas in the garden. Just pick them off, pop them in your mouth. It's a great garden snack. Why not have that in the backyard, right out the back door? So we're going to have some sugar snap peas. Now the problem with sugar snap peas is sometimes they like to sprawl out on a vine, get about 6 foot long. So one of the things that we're going to look for on these sugar snap peas is going to be a smaller bushing variety. That variety that we're going to choose is called Sugar Daddy. So we're going to definitely get. You guys think that's funny? So we're definitely going to get some sugar snap peas in there. The other thing we're going to do to make it aesthetically pleasing is calendulas. Calendulas, I got a bright white variety of these. They are a edible flower. Did you guys know that those are edible flowers?
Wait, what do they look like?
They're calendulas. They kind of look almost like a marigold in a sense, but they're usually a white or orange flower.
I didn't know any flower was edible.
Yeah, they're supposed to have kind of a little bit of a peppery taste to them.
Okay.
So the leaves are also edible on them. But if you harvest them when they're old and worn out, the leaves are kind of bitter.
Have you ever ate just like plain leaves, like off like not like trees and stuff, but like.
Just ate a plain leaf?
Yeah.
What about leaf lettuce?
Well, yeah.
That's what you're eating, leaf lettuces. Which brings us to point number 2, tier number 2. This is going to be our leafy base. This is going to be the one where we can go out and we can just cut and come again lettuce. So on that tier, we're going to have lettuce. We're going to have spinach. We're just going to have all kinds of leafy greens on that level. We should just be able to harvest, cut it, come back, and a week later, harvest some more. Tier 3, we're going to do a little bit of a spice to life type of thing. We're going to grow some green onions. I got some bunching onions coming. We're going to have those in several pockets. We're going to have some herbs like some cilantro growing in there. We're also going to put some more flowers in there because that's about the middle. So we're going to do some nasturtiums. The nasturtiums should trail over the edge and vine down a little bit. So those are also edible as well. Did you know that?
No.
No, you did not. We're going to do tier 4. We're going to do something very special in there. We're going to be doing a lot of garlic. We are getting in the hashtag garlic challenge this year. I've already got my stuff planted outside, but this year we got 3 leaves, one for Croc Kid and one for Kid Croc. We're going to have, and one for the Croc Gardener. We're each going to have our own leaf where we're going to enter into the garlic challenge. So the garlic challenge, we each will be entered in on that, and we will be growing our garlic in the GreenStalk. That's part of the garlic challenge this year, is to be that you can grow into the GreenStalk. Alongside that garlic, we're going to be planting some butter gem lettuce. This is another leaf lettuce that we can cut and come again from time to time. So the next 2 tiers, I tell you what, they're going to be a little radical. They're going to be a little bit crazy. And we got a couple of guest stars here that are going to tell you why they're going to be a little crazy. Let's start off with tier 5. Tier 5 is everybody's favorite, Kid Croc. What do you have all listed for your tier 5?
I had broccoli, sugar snap peas, and then another broccoli, and another one, and then another sugar snap peas. Then I'm gonna have some turnips and some onions.
Those are some good choices. I figured you would have been a little bit wilder than that, but you know what? I think those are some pretty decent choices.
Those are all my favorite.
Those are all your favorites. Now we are putting these down towards the bottom because he does have a couple bigger plants in there. Those broccoli plants are going to get a little bit big. So we're kind of keeping them down towards the bottom so that way it doesn't get a little top heavy, and if we get a good wind, it doesn't push over.
And the onions that I'm using are like the purple ones that you put on the salad. Those are the best.
You want the purple bulb onions
Yeah.
is what you're looking for.
Those are the best kind of onions
We're
ever.
definitely doing some experimenting here. Now, we got in Kid Crocs in Tier 5. Croc Kid is going to be in Tier 6. Do you remember what you all had in your tier?
So
Yeah.
I had like 2 carrots because I
Two
love-
pockets with carrots. We could
Yeah.
probably plant like maybe 6 carrots in each pocket, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, tell me, are these going to be plain old carrots, or are these going to be anything special carrots? You just want plain old carrots, don't you?
Or what about like
Yeah,
yellow carrots?
You don't want
No,
any purple ones. You
no,
don't. You just want
no.
plain old carrots. Okay, I like that. Old school.
Old school, yeah. Old school.
And also I'm planting like a cucumber.
Oh yes, we got a
Those are the
cucumber in
best.
there. As a matter of fact, I went out and I bought some seeds today, so I got a special cucumber coming for you. It's gonna be a little bit wild. I hope that's okay.
Okay.
So again, like the sugar snap peas, we had to get a special cucumber. So it's a bushing type of cucumber, one that's not gonna get 12 feet long. We had to get something that's gonna be a good size that will fit in the pockets. What else did you have in there?
I also had lavender.
Lavender.
Just like these.
Oh yes. Those are gonna be very pretty, and those are gonna be aromatic, and that's something I could put in my tea.
And Mama Croc.
Tea.
Yeah, you could put that in tea.
Yeah.
What else did you have?
I had like broccoli, or did I already?
Yeah, you had broccoli listed in there. And what else?
I had like dragon tongue beans.
Those
Yes.
are.
We went out to Baker Creek and we got some purple dragon tongue beans. So those will be definitely good. Those will be good out. We can leave them hang over the edge and pick those. Those are pretty good eating from what I hear. The tier 7 is going to be our final and bottom tier. In that bottom tier, what's a salad without having a couple cherry tomatoes in there? So we're going to line that whole bottom with some cherry tomatoes.
Just the
Now
whole
I got
bottom?
some plants that are supposed to be about 18 to 24 inches tall on that whole bottom, and we're gonna do 6 cherry tomatoes down there. I think we might throw some basil in one of those pockets if we want to. If we think that's gonna be too much,
All cherry tomatoes. You should put like some pickles in there.
you should put some pickle. Well, we got the cucumbers in
I guess you could say.
Croc Kids over there. Micro Tom and Orange Hat tomatoes. These are little cherry tomatoes that grow about 18 to 24 inches tall. Those are going to be rounding out the base of the GreenStalk here. So I think we're all in pretty good shape. What do you guys think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
pretty good.
I feel like that's good.
All right, folks. So there you have it. The plays have been run. The game plan has been set out. We're here to analyze and see how things are going to go with this GreenStalk this year. First off, you guys have any opinions?
Not in my opinion.
No, not really.
Nothing right off the top of your head?
But also, I think we have like a lot of broccoli.
You think we got a lot of broccoli? You
Yeah.
think we have too much broccoli?
We
You guys like eating broccoli? I don't think we can have too much broccoli, do you?
Broccoli's the best.
Yes, especially steamed broccoli.
Yes, definitely.
So tell me this. What is going to be the best thing that we've grown on this so far?
For a fact, we all know sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas? Oh, yeah. We have garden snacks galore. Just right outside our back door. I tell you what. What's going to be the worst tasting thing that we have on there?
Tomatoes.
The tomatoes? Oh, man, Kid Croc, I don't know how you are, my son. I tell you what. Those tomatoes are going to be one of the tastiest things on there.
Well,
I like the onions.
You don't like the onions?
What?
Oh
My brother.
man, I tell you what, I'm wondering if the flowers are going to be a little bit. I've never had those
Well,
flowers
those
for
actually
food,
would
so
taste good.
we'll have to see how well those taste.
Or also, wait, no. Wait, oh yeah, the lavender. I just chose
think
some
the
for
lavender?
decorate.
You chose that for a decorative thing?
Yeah.
What's going to be the prettiest thing that we have on there?
We all, of course, all know lavender.
You think the lavender is going to be the prettiest?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. So, what do you guys think we're going to get the most use out of on that?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
Or no, sugar. I think the peas.
The peas?
Because, like, those actually go a little
The way it's looking,
Yeah.
I'm not going to be able to go out there and pick peas for a salad. Those peas are probably going to be done picked by two little boys. Maybe I should have them way up top to where they cannot reach them.
I can reach them. All I have to do is just get one of those chairs outside and just...
Oh man, he's got a plan already. So, whose tier is going to make the most food?
We all know who it's going to be.
My tier.
Kid Croc.
Oh man, Kid Croc and Croc Kid, they both think that they're going to grow the most food. But I tell you what, I got the most tiers. So, do we have a competition coming in mind?
Yeah.
I wonder what can we put down for the bet on this. How about weeding the garden on a hot summer July day?
No.
You guys like that?
Nope.
No?
That's like the worst. It's going to get itchy.
I'll be in on this too. I will choose tier 2. Make it easy on you.
Okay, you can...
The first one to get a pound of food off of their tier wins.
Yeah, but what if I just eat all the sugar snap peas?
You just can't eat all the evidence.
And maybe I could just weigh myself and then just...
I don't know if that would work.
I don't really want to make a bet.
You don't want to make any bets?
I'll make
No?
a bet.
How about we have the prettiest one? You want to do a prettiest tier?
Yeah. It's gonna
Okay.
be
What tier do you guys choose for me as the prettiest tier that I get to participate in? I got tier 1, 2, 3, 4, or 7.
Tier number 2.
Tier
Hey, you took mine!
Nope. You guys got your own tiers.
Yeah, but I'm just saying his tier should.
My tier is going to be tier number 2.
Yeah.
Croc Kid has tier number 6, and Kid Croc has tier number 5.
Are you sure?
I think we
Are
all
you
know
sure?
it's gonna be me because.
Are you guys all sure?
You think so?
Are you guys all
You think
sure
that
about
lavender
the
is going to be
trophy?
pretty?
Mm-hmm.
So, if you are interested to
yes, it
see how all this turns out, click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. What mistakes are we doing? This is our first time doing the GreenStalk, so we're bound to be making mistakes. Learn and live with us. Click that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Cheers, everybody, and God bless.
Peace.